Hi, and welcome to the first episode of the Holden 202 to 253 308 conversion. So far, I've taken out the Holden 202 out of the engine bay. And I'm going to put the 253 308 in this HZ ute. I'm doing a dummy fit first using 7/16 by 3.5 inch bolts on the engine mount. They fit straight in. I've taken the engine out and fitting a scat flex plate. I'm going to fit the trans to the engine. Next, we put the trans mount on with 7/16 by 1 inch bolts. Next, you want to set up your cross member and jack your transmission up. Next, there are 6 bolts you need to tool up. 2 on the left side, 2 in the center, and 2 on the right side. So as you can see, the V6 cross member fits to a V8 Trimatic. So the trans clears the trans tunnel. You will also need to buy V8 engine mounts. That's the end of the first episode. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button, and I'll see you next episode. Subscribe.